Hello friends, today I'll show you how can we quickly design a simple wall divider like this. See, or you can call it a screen quickly in Mozaik out of our base cabinet. So watch the video. Um, so we have planned to make a simple screen or wall divider through out of the base cabinet. So as we can see that we have this top and bottom shall be 25 millimeter thick, and these dividers is 42 millimeter thick, and these are the dimensions. Width of these panels are 90 millimeter, and the gap is 112.5 millimeters. So according to this, you have to add your materials. That top and bottom of the cabinet shall be 25 millimeter thick, and these dividers we have used these as a doors. So door thickness shall be 42 millimeters. So I have in settings I have made the templates according to that. I'll show you here: door, screen, cabinet, screen. And in this, if you check here, go in library, material, templates, and screen. I have made door 42 millimeter thick. See here, thickness, and door panels 42 millimeter. And in cabinet, so for top and bottom panels, which shall be 25 millimeter thick, I have made this template: top 25 millimeter and bottom 25 millimeter. Okay, so these are the materials. You can make your templates here, and materials can be made through this library materials. You know that, right? So you can add materials of your thickness, whatever thickness you wish. I have add here, see, carcass wise 42 millimeter. You can just copy any existing paste, and you can just, I'll show you how to add the materials. Okay, so this is the copy. You can just make anything, for example 50 millimeter, and make thickness 50 millimeter like this. And say, once material is added, you can make your doors and cabinet templates by going in libraries and material templates, and just made the templates here new, and choose the material from here like this. For example, in door thickness screen, I want to change it to 50. I can just select these doors and make it carcass white 50, which is just I have added. Okay, so in this way you can make your templates. So for now I need it to be 42, so I'll make it again 42 millimeter. Okay, save it, and those templates shall be given here in this settings, materials. So screen, door template for, and screen cabinet template, which I have made these screen templates for door and cabinets. So in this way you can set up your materials, thickness. Okay, so now let's begin our main part, design. Now we want to turn the base cabinet, simple base cabinet, into a wall divider. So I will just drag this base cabinet here. Okay, and I want to suppose I want it to be width 950 as per our diagram. Okay, and height shall be 3000 millimeter, and depth shall be 100, as you can see in this top right corner is our screen. So here I want this to be at this wall, so change wall from here to wall 2 and make it from right, its position shall be 1000 and outset shall be -100, like this. Okay, this way. So if I see 3D, it's like this. Okay. Oh, so we have from floor here a toe gap, but we don't want this toe gap. So what we will do, we will select this product and go in parameter overrides and just expand this toe and have it as a and 0, toe height 0. Okay, now if I see this 3D, I'll have this cabinet sit on the floor. Okay, and up to the wall height 3000 is the wall height, so total wall height. Now we shall edit this. We shall go in edit, selecting that, expand this, and we don't want doors right face, just clear it. Okay, and back we don't want back either, so delete it. So we have something like this. Okay, top. So we want full top here, so tops shall be full top, so we will get our top back. Okay, like this. So we have a frame, right? So in this case, front, what we need, we want this top to be fully stretched and bottom to be fully stretched up to the width 915. At present it is now in between the ends, but we want it to take the full width. So we will go in parameters here, select product parameters, and we'll go to ends. So long top for the base cabinet, we will choose this. Yes, now this top is full width and is sit on the ends. Similarly, we will select long bottom for base cabinets and we will make it yes. Now bottom is also full width. So, and these ends are 25 mm thick. You can check here, the U end and U end right, they are 25 mm thick because we need 25 mm gaps here. Okay, now we go in face here, and what we will do, if we check our this one, see, we have 25 mm gap from the end, and then we start our divider panels 90 mm wide, this one. Okay, so what we will do, we can just first delete these sides and this one. Okay, and now once in, go in face, select this, and we will click this grid and divide this into two parts, open parts. Okay, right, and we will select left one and we will make it with 90 because we need 90 mm wide panel. So it has become 90, and we will make it door. Okay, and door is there, but we want it to be within this top and bottom, so we will check this frameless inset. Okay, so once it is there, no, sorry, not frameless inset, this one. So but still we can see that we have some gap from this door to the top, 2 mm, and at bottom also it should be 2 mm, I think. see 2 millimeter, and from right it's 27. So but it should be 25, right? And here it is 87. So we will select this and we'll make it we will do one thing. We will select this door and click adjust, and we will increase top gap, fill the top gap by 2 millimeter, bottom gap by 2 millimeter, and left we will increase left by 2 and right by 1. Okay, because at present it is 87, so 2 millimeter on left side, here it will increase, so the gap here from left end will become 25 and right one, so it will become 90 millimeter wide. Okay, okay, so we have made this, but if we look it from the left, we see it needs to be 100. So we will go in parameters. Back should be, if we, one second, if we check this, we will make it 1 first. I think we need to add one more parameter. See, so this top should go up to the full depth and the back panel should sit below it. So we will go in parameters and we'll check going back, and back and top joint should be the full depth. So here it is not plant on back, it should be top equal to case depth. So now our top has become the full depth of the cabinet, 100. Our full depth is 100 mm, right? Similarly we will do for base. You can see base also 75 mil, because we have a back of 25 millimeter, right? And we don't need back, therefore it's showing like this. So to increase the bottom up to the full depth, we will go to select parameters, go in back category and back and bottom joint, select it, click OK. Now here back and bottom joint, make it case depth. Okay, now it's full. Okay, so we have our top bottom bottom panel correct. And for right now we don't want these screw holes, so you can go in parameters, go to borings and system hole shotgun bore and make it none for now. Okay, and again we will delete these left and right panels. Okay, so now we have our top and bottom panels correct. We have our one panel here, divider panel, but it should be offset from the front by 29 millimeter. As you can see, I'll show you. You can see here in this diagram, this is from top, it's 29 millimeter, right? Offset from the front. So we can achieve that by just simply go in face, select this, okay, and go to adjust and have the inset by 29. Right now it's shifted 29 millimeter from the front. Okay, so if you see the perspective, we have our one panel and we don't want these hinges and handles, right? These hinges and handles, so we can just simply select these and make hinges none. Okay, simple. So in this way we get one panel and we will add others panels too. Okay, it's simple, right? So we have our simple divider like this. So we will go in face and we know the next gap should be 112.5 millimeter, as you can see in the image above. These the shaded panels are 90 millimeter wide and the gap is 112 millimeter wide. So we will just again divide it into two parts open. Okay, we will make this as 112.5, right? Again we will select this and we will make it divide into two open face type, and we will make it 90 millimeter again, and we will make this face as a door. Okay, now if we see from front, again we should adjust it if it have a gap. See, 2 millimeter gap above and 2 millimeter gap here at bottom, and its width has only 88, so 2 millimeter less. So we will increase to left and right by, see, it's 113, so 113.5, it should be 112.5. So we will increase left side by 1 millimeter and right side by 1 millimeter. So we will having this selected, click adjust and have top increased by 2 millimeter, bottom increased by 2, left increased by 1, right increased by 1, and insert 29 millimeter. Okay, now it's done. See, if you see the left side, it's done, right? And we will make hinges none, right? See, so we have added this one. Similarly we will add others also. So I will just fast forward the video little bit. So again we will divide it into reduced by increased by 1 millimeter, and right side should be increased by 2. If we increase left side of this panel by 1 millimeter towards left, then this gap will become 112.5. At present it is 113.5, right? So we will adjust this left should be by 1 and right should be by 2 instead 29, right? Because in case of these ends, which is closer to our end panels, unfinished end panels, this left and right gaps is little bit different. So our simple divider. So this is the simple way to get a simple divider, wall divider for your projects, and it looks awesome, right? It's looking great. So right, so hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe the channel and do comment, like, share, and I read all comments and reply to, and I'll come with more interesting videos soon. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, keep connected, thank you. So this is it. I'll close this, save changes, and we'll look at 3D from here. It looks like this. Awesome, right? Simple wall divider. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon to get the instant notifications of the upload. I'll keep uploading trainings, tutorials, videos for the CAD packages. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.